In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export JSON data from Trello. If you've ever needed a structured snapshot of a Trello board for backups, integrations, or analysis, exporting to JSON is a quick, reliable way to get exactly that. JSON is a machine-readable format that's widely supported, so it's perfect for developers and for anyone who wants to move data into other tools. Start by opening your browser and heading to Trello.com. Make sure you're signed in to the account that has access to the board you want to export. If you're part of multiple workspaces, double check you're in the right one so you can find the correct board without any confusion. Once you're in Trello, go to your list of boards. Depending on your layout, you can get there from the sidebar or the header by selecting the option that shows all your boards. This view gives you a quick overview of everything you can access. Next, select the board you want to export. Click it to open the board. Take a moment to confirm you're on the right one by glancing at the board title and the lists and cards you expect to see. This helps you avoid exporting the wrong data, especially if you manage multiple similar boards. In the board view, look to the top right, you'll see an icon with 3 dots that opens the board's menu. Click that to reveal additional options and tools specific to this board. From the menu that appears, choose Print, Export, and Share. This is where Trello groups all the options for taking your board's content outside the app, including printing and various export formats. Now, click Export as JSON. Trello will either download a .json file to your computer or open the JSON in a new browser tab, depending on your browser settings. If it opens in a new tab, you can save it by using your browser's save command. Consider renaming the file with the board name and today's date, so it's easy to track versions later. Your exported JSON typically includes lists, cards, descriptions, labels, checklists, comments, and member references. Attachments are represented by their links rather than embedded files, which keeps the export clean and lightweight. If your board is very large, the file might be sizable and could take a moment to generate. Just let it finish. If you run into any issues, make sure you have permission to view the board and try refreshing the page. That's all there is to it. You've successfully exported your Trello board as JSON and you're ready to use it in your workflow.